Hello friends, welcome to the next video tutorial on Flutter development series for beginners. In the last video, we have seen what is Flutter, and now in this video, we will develop our first Hello World application. So let's get started. Alright, so this is our Hello World application which we are going to develop in next couple of minutes. And before that, first let's understand what is widget. In this application, this text, this text is a widget. This app bar, this app bar is also widget. So what is widget? Everything, everything is a widget. I repeat, in Flutter, everything which you see on screen, whether it's a app bar, text, or for example, image, button, padding, and so on, is a widget. Let's do coding to understand it better. So I will open my IDE. I'm opening IDE, that is Android Studio. You can also use VS Code. Okay, so here I select new Flutter project and then Flutter SDK path. Flutter installation I have already done. If you don't, just visit Flutter official website and follow steps. It's very easy. Still, if you face any challenge, just leave your comment in the comment section below. I'll make separate video for that. Okay. And now I'm clicking on next button and here project name, tutorial, first, hello world. You can take any name, project location, leaving as it is, description, leaving as it is, project type, application, organization, no change, Android language, I'll go with Kotlin, platforms, Android, iOS. I don't need Linux, macOS, web, and Windows. And then clicking on create project. And now project is creating. There, as we can see, our project has created successfully. And I will close this file and this file also. In left hand side menu, we can see some directories and files. Android, iOS, iOS, lib, and so many other files. But no worry about those, just focus on lib directory. Here we can see one file main.dart. I'm opening it and here we can see some default code. Let's run it and see output. After that, we will delete everything. We will delete everything from this class and we will write our own code from scratch. First, let's see output. To see output, we have to run this application on emulator. So let me open emulator. Here I have created Pixel 9 Pro virtual device. I'm opening it. If you don't know how to create a virtual device, then what you need to do, click on this create virtual device and then select any device. For example, Pixel 9 Pro, next, and then click on finish. I have already created, so I click on cancel. Here our device is ready. From there we have to select our current device. So I'm selecting Pixel 9 Pro, this virtual device emulator, the current emulator I have selected. Now I'm running this application. So I click on this run button. Application now is launching. As we can see, application has launched, and here and there we can see output. Flutter demo homepage, that is this month, the title of application, and it's a background color. And here we can see one floating action button, this one floating action button, this, and in this method, here we are here they are calling one method increment counter. Here the counter value is increasing, as we can see here, as we can see there. So what I will do, I'm removing everything. I'm removing everything from this file, and then we will write our own code for Hello World application. I'm deleting it. So I have deleted everything from this file. Now if I save it, so here it's showing error because we have delete we have deleted everything. Now I write code for main method. Void main, then body of main method. And here I will call run class my app extend stateless widget, and here I will override build method. First let me write code, then I will explain each and every step. I don't need this. Removing return material app home scaffold app bar title text hello world. Okay, so for now let's test app bar. Okay, so I'm running again, and let's see output. Application is launching. So as we can see, hello world. Okay, so title is there. Let's take hello world app, and then saving hello world app. And also I'm giving background color white, and in body let's take one text, and here hello world, and then saving again. See, hello world text is there. Let's take this text in center. So I will wrap up this widget, text widget with center widget, as we can see here, and then saving again. So now our text has aligned in center. Now our coding part is done, and this main let's understand the purpose of main method. Here this is the entry point of app. Flutter, this run app, it starts or it starts Flutter application. Stateless stateless is a widget my app It's the name of the class, and it extends stateless widgets. So there are two types of widget. One is stateless, second is stateful. The difference between stateless and stateful widgets we will understand in our upcoming videos. And then here we have override build method, and this build method is responsible to render widgets on UI. Let me also show you how to run same application, same code base, the same code base on iOS device. For that, I will select iOS simulator, and now it's opening. And this time I will select iPhone 16. Here application is launching. So application has launched successfully, and we can see output Hello World app, and in body Hello World. So that's it for this video. In our upcoming video, we will learn the core Dart fundamental concept. Thank you for watching.